Hey everyone, it's Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. We're here on the largest cruise ship in the world, Icon of the Seas. And we are so excited to do our stern to bow series, where we find out how long does it take to get from the rear of the ship, the stern, to the front, the bow. Now, again, this is the largest cruise ship in the world. This should be our longest time. Let's find out if it really is. Let's check it out. So today we are docked in Costa Maya. You can see the very long walk on the pier off to the mainland of Mexico there. We do have the Carnival Jubilee next to us, but we are going to be focused here on Icon for this walk. We've got my trusty iPhone with its timer on it, and we are going to start this walk. Just to let you know where we're starting from, we are in the Hideaway, the adults only area, and this is about as far back as I find I can get on this ship. We'll point out the sights along the way, but let's get going. And we're off. So you can see here we do have these day beds that are available, but they are pay to use. Lots of seating back here. This is originally supposed to be all ages, but at the last minute they changed this to be the adults only area from what was going to be Cloud 17. You have a bar on the other side, and this is the infinity pool that looks out the rear of the ship. We're going to head up some steps here. Some hot tubs. We're still in the Hideaway. And this is where we exit the Hideaway. You can see the sign there. And now we are in Thrill Island. There's steps up to 3 of the water slides. We do have the mini golf course, Lost Dunes, I believe it's called, here on our left. And now you can get a better shot of all the water slides. So you have the 2 racer slides right here and the drop slide coming out of the bottom there. And then over on this side, you have the 2 family raft slides. And then also another, I don't know what type of, just a straight down type slide, that yellow one right there. So that's the Category 6 water park. Now we are headed through, I'm struggling to remember the name of this area now, but base camp, that's what they call it. So you've got food here, some free, some paid food, a bar, and a large area to sit in the shade. That's one thing I've noticed that they've done really well on this ship is there's a number of areas to sit out in the sun, of course, but there's also a pretty large amount of areas to sit in the shade. Here we have the rock climbing wall, not as tall as you see on the Oasis class ships. I think the Oasis class ship rock walls are much better than what you find on Icon, especially if you want a really challenging climb. Now up here you have the Crown's Edge. We did this the other day. We'll have a video out on that. But this is sort of a ropes course where you walk across this plank here, walk across these steps, and then when you get out there, that plank will drop and you sail around to the beginning again. So it's pretty cool. It's very fast, but I'm glad they dropped the price on it. We would not have done it had they not dropped the price. Now we are currently on deck 16. The main pool deck is deck 15. It's an interesting setup on Icon. So you can see the main pool way over there on the other side. There's a small pool and some hot tubs on this side of deck 15, but up here on deck 17, it is mostly seating and casitas. This is the stage. There's a yoga class going on right now, but this is the stage where they'll have the band play during the day. Another interesting thing they've done, they've added a lot more stairwells between neighborhoods, which is nice, helps getting in and out. But you also find, for the kids, slides to different levels in different places, which is a nice addition. You can see one of the hot tubs down on deck 15 down here. Now on deck 17, here is the main pool. It's closed right now, but this is the Swim and Tonic. So it is a at-sea swim-up bar. See it better when we come around the corner here. You can see all the new types of seating they've added on Icon. But over there you can see they have the bar right there. You can swim right up to it and get your drink. And you can see down there more shaded seating down on deck 15. Up there is deck 17, and that's the Cloud 17 area. There is another small pool up there. Now we're walking into the lobby. These are the new elevators. I mean, the elevators don't look any different, but it's the new system where you choose what floor you're going to go on before you get on the elevator, and it just tells you what elevator bank to go to. Honestly, I've had mixed results with it. Sometimes it's come really quickly, sometimes we've waited forever, but overall, it's a pretty good system. Now we had to get down to deck 15 because to go all the way forward, you do need to go through the Aquadome. You can see we're entering the Aquadome now. Morning. So you can see they've got a shop here for the Aquadome Market over there where you can get food. There's a shot of the Aquadome itself. We will have our tour videos of all the different neighborhoods available for Icon of the Seas. This is the Hooked Seafood Restaurant, which is part of the Aquadome. It has some really great views outside of it. I just shot a video of that yesterday. Aquadome show, really cool aqua show. Was really impressed by it. Now we're entering the Overlook. So these are the pods that you can sit in and relax in, take in some nice views from. And here is the actual main area of the Overlook. So it has its own Overlook bar. And we are getting close. You just take in the views that you get from here. And here we are. All right, I was a little late on that push, but 6 minutes, 49.24 seconds. All right, 6 minutes and 49 seconds. That's how long it took us to get from the rear of the ship to the front, basically from the Hideaway to the Aquadome. I am pretty sure that's our longest time ever, but we'll have to go back and check out the rest of the videos. Probably Oasis class would be the next closest one. But we hope you enjoyed this video and a quick tour of this areas from the bow to the stern of Icon of the Seas. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, and also check out the rest of the Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future cruising content. This is Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.